Hey guys, episode 44 of the crypto portfolio series. Another nice gain for the week, about 21,000. This is after selling some Ethereum and Litecoin yesterday. So that was about 15,000 sale. That'll be going into the Trading 212 Invest account this coming week. Nearly sold some Bitcoin, but I think probably wait until sort of back into the $60,000. Yeah, so sort of news this week, I guess, would be Elon Musk's little Saturday Night Live stint where he mentioned Dogecoin and all that, but I don't really see it. So, yeah, Dogecoin's dropped on the news, and yeah, Bitcoin's not really done a great deal, so yeah, don't really think there's much to that. I would say the ETFs are probably still the main news. People still sort of anticipating it. I think the VanEck one has been delayed. Decisions delayed until June the 17th, which obviously is not a rejection. They did this last time back in 2018, I think it was. Sort of delayed it, but a lot of people are sort of thinking with all the other bigger players involved this cycle that one of these is going to get approved, or probably it'd either be all of them or nothing. But yes, the other countries are hopping on the bandwagon, as they say. There's another one on the Toronto Stock Exchange, and there is one in Latin America now. Brazilian digital asset manager QR Capital. So they're sort of going all around the world except the US. So it'll be interesting to see if they want to be left out or if they'll just approve it. So portfolio for the week. So Bitcoin pretty much flat, 1.75%. Not too much happening at the moment. Ethereum, I did sell a little bit early. It sort of rocketed up again in the last day. Sold about 2,625. So yeah, sold 4 Ethereum. So it's up 36% for the week. I thought fairly good price to sell at. If you saw my sort of selling plan a few months ago, I was sort of planning to be completely out at about 2,500, and I haven't sold any since 1,750. So yeah, I've kind of waited and been a bit more patient, and yeah, sort of sold some above what was my overall target. So yeah, that's 4 Ethereum gone. Cardano 30% up for the week. Not going to sell any of this just yet. Sort of fairly bullish on them. Seem to be lagging behind the rest, and they're now starting to pop. Litecoin 28% up for the week. So I sold 20 Litecoin. Just not really seeing that much development from Litecoin really. So thought sell a little bit of that while it's up. We'll certainly keep some, but yeah, not all that bullish on them sort of compared to the others. Omise Go OMG network 50% up for the week. Very nearly sold. I wanted to sell some at £10, but I was a little busy, so I've left this at the moment. If it sort of goes up to the above £10 range, then I'll probably sell, I expect 350, which would be a quarter of that position. XRP actually down for the week. Not too much happening there, 3% down. XLM up 15%, so not too bad there. EOS, another good week, 55%. Again, this was sort of £8.50 or so. I think it touched £9 very briefly, but yeah, I was sort of looking to sell some about £8.50, but it dropped back. So if that goes to sort of £8.50 again, then I'll probably sell 250, which would be a quarter of the position. Haven't sold any of that since January, so yeah, thought a good time to probably take some off. Tron, 10% up for the week. Again, sort of did go a little bit higher, sort of nearly 12 pence, I think. Not sure if I'll take any off just yet. Maybe wait for a little bit more. Basic attention token, 11% up for the week. Probably just leave this alone for a little while. Sold some last month, so I'll leave that. Dash, not doing too bad, 24% up. Went a bit higher, but yeah, probably if this goes to over 300 again, maybe 320, probably sell. I was going to sell 4 of these, so see how that goes. Power Ledger, 25% up. I mean, this was at sort of 45p or so yeah, kind of waiting for that to get back to all-time highs if it can, and take a little bit more. And then the 2 little penny stocks are sort of selling off a little bit, 10-11%. Still up on my initial investment. It's only been a few weeks, so kind of happy with them. And Quantstamp down 2%. Not a lot happening with that, but yeah, not too bad. And the little BitTorrent free one hasn't really moved. So yeah, that's the portfolio for the week. Interesting times. Certainly in sort of selling mood at the moment, and see where it goes. Still over 50% crypto, so don't really want to be that sort of going forward, so just continuing to average out. So leave your thoughts in the comments, and drop a like and subscribe if you want to see more. See you soon.